Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I am going to go through this fault code here, 12V battery. If you're getting this, and also the other thing we're going to get, you'll get heavy steering, or the gear changes aren't smooth, if that makes sense, the judder, or even at the very worst the engine doesn't start. So if you're getting this and you've got should we say a ton of fault codes here, okay, what we would recommend as a starter, I would personally highly recommend, is to start off with the battery. But obviously you can do another thing as well. This is the battery. You got to check to see if the alternator is powering up and you're getting the correct voltage. And we can see from here, from our diagnostic, and I'll tell you exactly if the alternator works or not. So it gives us the voltage on here, so I'll have to just go into the engine. Sometimes it gives it, I know, can't find it on here. I'll have to go on the live data. But anyway, if you was to, you'll have to go to the live data. I'm not going to mess around. But you can do a battery tester to see if it's getting the correct voltage when the engine's running. If it is, then that means the battery's weak and bad. So what we would recommend is you get another battery and replace it. But obviously check that everything's tight, in place, and everything's fine, and the fuse aren't any blown or anything like that. Obviously it shouldn't be. Change the battery. This should cure everything. This should cure the faults on the screen as well. Now you can do a full scan and clear it. It's most likely with this vehicle it'll be a plug and play. Just pop the new battery in, do a full scan and clear it all out. That's what it'll be. But yeah, the symptoms will be heavy steering. You'll get all sorts of light on there. The car may judder as well. The gearbox won't be smooth. It's because it's not getting the right voltage for it to do these change the components.